Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. Diwali decorations are essential to making your home feel complete during the festive season. Beautiful torans, rangolis, diyas and festive lights are key elements of Diwali decor. If we plan ahead and order everything in advance, it saves us from last minute stress. This year, I have already ordered all my Diwali decorations thanks to the Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale, where I got everything at amazing discounted prices. In today's video, I will be sharing my Diwali decoration items with you and showing how I will use them to decorate my home's entrance, temple and balcony. This video is made in collaboration with Amazon. Let's get started. First, I will decorate my home temple for Diwali. During normal days, the temple has a simple look, but for Diwali, I prefer a colorful decoration. I have taken out all the idols and cleaned the temple thoroughly. The great thing about decorating is that half of your deep cleaning gets done in the process. We will start with Toran, which holds great importance in Diwali decorations. I have chosen two beautiful Torans for the temple. Both have a similar style and color with different designs. They feature lotus motifs along with beadwork and pom-poms. I will place one on the inner wall and the other at the temple entrance. These torans give the space a gorgeous and elegant look. During Diwali, a beautiful asan is essential for placing the idols. I have picked up two lovely asans made from red velvet fabric with golden embroidery and a floral design in the center. Adding these bright colored asans really makes the idol stand out and enhances the overall look of the temple. On both sides of the temple, large diya lamps look beautiful. However, this year I ordered different type of diya lamps which I found very attractive. These are golden 3-step lotus diya stands, unique and charming. While the design is beautiful, I feel the quality is not great. They are quite lightweight and a bit pricey for what they offer. Since I have already purchased them, I am curious to see how they look once lit as part of the overall decoration. I also ordered loose MDF lotus cutouts in green and white. These come in a variety of colors and combinations. I am using them to decorate the back wall of the temple to add bit more charm. You can create different designs with these cutouts for versatile decor. To decorate the temple floor, I usually use these marigold flower hangings. While they are great for decorating walls and doors, they can also be beautifully used to decorate the floor. Sometimes I place them along the edges to create a border, and other times I arrange them into a rangoli-like pattern. These marigold hangings last for years, so once you buy them, you can use them for Diwali every year. Urli holds a special significance in Diwali decorations, and nowadays you can find them in beautiful designs and sizes. For my temple decor, I chose this lovely metal urli with built-in diya holders on the sides. In the center bowl, I am adding water along with a few rose petals. I am placing ghee batti in diyas, which we will light once the decoration is complete. Right above it, I will hang this charming and beautiful dhoopdani. Not only does it look elegant, but once the dhoop batti is lit, it fills the space with a lovely fragrance. The final touch to complete my temple's Diwali decoration is the puja thali set, which I will use for daily puja rituals. I ordered two sets and both are stunning. The first is a brass thali set, giving an elegant look perfect for everyday use. It has a beautiful design and raised edges to keep everything secure. The set includes a diya, agarbatti holder, bell, small bowl and a kalash. The second thali is unique with the flower-shaped design in golden color and a lovely border. All the items are fixed to the thali, which I found to be a minor drawback because cleaning requires emptying everything and washing the entire set. However, if you plan to use it purely for decoration, it will truly elevate the look of your temple. And with that, my temple's Diwali decoration is complete. Let's light the diyas and see how it all comes together. The overall look is beautifully divine and mesmerizing. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you like this decor too. Now let's decorate the home entrance, which is a must during Diwali. For the entrance, I have chosen this beautiful marigold flower door toran and hanging. It's quite large and heavy, and once you hang it on the door, you won't need much more decoration. Next to our door, there is a small window where I'm placing these MDF lotus cutouts. They add a lovely touch to the decoration. Next, I had been thinking about getting this trending urli set for quite some time and finally got it. It comes with 3 different sized urli bowls and 3 candle stands. Assembling it is very easy, and to be honest, I loved it. If you want to decorate any corner of your home or entrance for festivals or puja, just place this urli set and that space will instantly brighten up. I'm setting it up in a corner of my entrance, and to make it stand out, I have prepared a round base with marigold flower hangings. Now I will place the bowls and stands here. I have filled all the bowls with water and I'm adding floating red plumeria flowers. These are made of foam and are quite lightweight. In the second bowl, I have added flowers in a white and yellow combination, and you can find many other color combinations. Finally, in the third bowl, I am placing a beautiful floating lotus flower with an LED light attached. In the center, I am adding water sensor LED candles that will light up the bowls beautifully. In all 3 candle stands, I am adding real flowers. You can also place diyas and candles in them. I will show you the complete look at the end. Lastly, we will create a rangoli, which is very important for Diwali. I am not very good at making rangolis, so I mostly use MDF cutout rangoli designs, and you can find plenty of options on Amazon. This time I have picked 4 rangoli sets with different designs. Before making the rangoli, I have added a boundary on the sides using marigold flower hangings. In the center, I will place the larger rangoli, and on the sides, I will add the set of 6 smaller rangolis. In the larger rangoli, I am filling it with colored rice. You can prepare a variety of colors by adding turmeric, kumkum or food coloring to the rice and then add them to the rangoli. And look, our rangoli is ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? For the smaller rangoli, I will be filling it with rangoli colors. The rangoli colors that come in nozzle bottles make it very easy to create the rangoli and fill the cutouts. All the smaller rangolis are ready and now I will place them. For the final look, we will add mitti ke diyas as they are essential for the Diwali decoration of the home entrance. And with that, our home entrance decoration is complete. This hexagon-shaped wall art set of Ganesha that's placed at the entrance has been there since last Diwali, and I love how it adds to the festive spirit. Let me now show you the overall look, which looks absolutely stunning. I hope you like the decor. The last must-have product for Diwali decoration is festive string lights, and there is a wide variety available on Amazon. This year I picked up 2 string lights, one with leaf shapes and the other with flower shapes, both adding an elegant touch. Since my balcony is open on 3 sides, I can't place too many decor items. I have added some marigold hangings, and now I will light up the area with these beautiful string lights. As it is quite windy here, placing candles or diyas is challenging, so I opted for LED candles inside the diyas. At night, when both the diyas and string lights are on, the whole setup looks beautiful and elegant. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can purchase all these products at great discounts during the ongoing Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. There are thousands of deals in different categories, so do check it out. I have provided the links to all these products in the description box. Thank you for watching. Happy festivals, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.